हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू एजुफाई ब्रांच चैनल। आज आम ये भिडियो गत 5 वर्ष धरी ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस प्रीलिम एग्जाम रो जीएस पेपर 1 रे आस्थिबा समस्त जियोग्राफी क्वेश्चन विषय डिस्कशन करिबा। सब जियोग्राफी क्वेश्चन एवं आंसर को मु गोटे वीडियो रे कंपाइल करछि जोटा कि आपनकर नेक्स्ट ओडिशा सिविल सर्विस एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन रे हेल्पफुल हबो। ओके, तो वीडियो को आपण माने सेशन देखंतु एवं चैनल को जदि सब्सक्राइब करि नांती प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु। तो चलंतु वीडियो को स्टार्ट करिबा। तो प्रथम देखो ओसीएस प्रीलिम 2015-16 रे जीएस पेपर 1 रे जते सब जियोग्राफी क्वेश्चन आस्तला से सब आगे देखिबा। ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, खजियार लेक इज लोकेटेड इन, सो यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज हिमाचल प्रदेश। मिनकॉय एंड सुहेली आइलैंड आर सेपरेटेड बाय, यार राइट आंसर होची आपनकर ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 9 डिग्री चैनल। KBR National Park is located at, the right answer is option A, that is Hyderabad. KBR stand for Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park. Okay, next question, where from the Narmada river originates, your right answer is option B, that is eastern central part of Satpura range. Next question, the length of Gangotri glacier is, right answer is option C, that is 30 km. Which one of the following regions is famous as Sahyadris? So your right answer is option D, that is Western Ghat region. Next question, easternmost point of east-west corridor is, the right answer is option C, Silchar. Next question, Indira Point is near to, right answer is option C, that is Great Nicobar. In a country, second largest area is occupied by, right answer is option B, that is red soil. Next question, which one of the following states possesses the largest forest area? Right answer option D, that is Madhya Pradesh. Largest producer of manganese in India is, right answer is option A, Odisha. What is the total surface area of Lakshadweep? Right answer is option A, that is 32 square kilometer. Kaganda coal basin belongs to, right answer is option B, that is Kazakhstan. एबे देखियो 16-17 जते सब जियोग्राफी क्वेश्चन आस्तला। ओके, who are the earliest migrants from Europe to South America? तो right answer is option D, that is Spaniards. The Valley of Kashmir lies between, right answer is option B, Pir Panjal and Jaskar range. Which one of the following countries is the major producer of mica? So right answer is option D, that is China. The Athabasca tar sand is famous for the deposit of, right answer is option C, that is petroleum. Which of the following places in India ranks second among the coldest inhabited places in the world? Right answer is option A, that is Dras. The Durand line is the boundary between, right answer is option C, that is Pakistan and Afghanistan. The habitat of the Toda tribe is, option D, the right answer, Nilgiri Hills. Which of the following was the earliest regional planning exercise in India? Right answer is option C, that is Damodar Valley Project. Marquette Range in USA is known for, the right answer is option D, that is iron ore. El Nino phenomenon is associated with, the right answer is option C, that is global warming. When was the first synchronous census of India population held? Here right answer is option B, that is 1881. Varanasi, the cultural capital of India, is mainly associated with, the right answer is option A, that is Shivajim. Okay, Shivajim. एबे देखियो 17-18 जते सब जियोग्राफी क्वेश्चन आतला। Which of the following rock types the quartzites is related to? तो your right answer is option C, that is metamorphic rocks. Which of the following towns of India is located on Tropic of Cancer? Right answer is option D, that is Banswada. Which of the following countries has the highest anthracite coal reserves? The right answer is option C, that is China. The Pygmy tribe is associated with, right answer is option B, Congo Basin. Which of the following iron and steel plants doesn't function under the Steel Authority of India Limited? The right answer is option D, that is Jamshedpur. Which of the following Indian states is the greatest producer of wind energy? The right answer is option A, that is Tamil Nadu. Which of the following metals the Java mines of Udaipur are famous for? The right answer is option C, that is zinc. Which of the following is famous for the cotton textile industry? The right answer is option A, Lancashire. Which of the following mountains is the oldest? Right answer is option B, that is Aravalli. Tropical cyclones are not found between 10 degree north latitude and 10 degree south latitude due to, option D is the right answer, that is due to minimum Coriolis effect. Okay. The ideal temperature of ocean water for the growth of coral is, right answer is option C, that is 20 degree to 25 degree. On which of the following Indian rivers the Moitur project has been constructed? So here right answer is option A, that is Kaveri. On the basis of area, which of the following is the correct descending order of Indian Union territories? The right answer is option C, Andaman Nicobar, Delhi and Pondicherry. ଏବେ 2018-19 ରେ ଯେତେ ସବୁ ଜିଓଗ୍ରାଫି क्वेश्चन आथला सेଗୁଡିକୁ ଦେଖିବା। U-shaped valley is formed by, option A is the right answer, that is glacier. Mist is formed as a result of condensation. Option A is the right answer. Which river is not a peninsular river? तो ये right answer is option A, Ghagra. बाकी सबू peninsular river. Process that shapes the Earth's surface is called, option D is the right answer, that is geomorphic process. Which one of the following is incorrect? Option D was incorrect. Okay. Depositional activity of glacier makes hanging valleys. The major division of the agricultural regions of the world is associated with, the right answer option A, that is Weddell Sea. One belt, one road policy relates to, option D is the right answer, China. The spread of cultural traits from one region to other is called, option A, that is diffusion is the right answer. Lebensraum was coined by, so your right answer is option D, that is Ratzel. The line joining points with equal cloud cover is called, option B is the right answer, that is isoneph. Location of sugar industry in India is moving from North India to South India because of, option D is the right answer, that is high yield and high sugar content in sugarcane. Horticulture is widely farmed in, option A is the right answer, that is Mediterranean region. Which one is primary activity? So option A, that is mining, the right answer. Least cost approach in industrial location is associated with, option B, that is Weber is the right answer. The Chakrasila Wildlife Sanctuary is located in, option A is the right answer, that is Assam. Sericulture is a rearing practice of, option D, that is silkworms. Okay, is the right answer. एबे 19-20 रे जति सब जियोग्राफी क्वेश्चन आसला, ओके से सब देखिबा। The Black Forest Mountain is an example of, a right answer is option B, that is Block Mountain. Which of the following oceans has highest average salinity? So your right answer is option C, that is Atlantic Ocean. Which of the following ocean currents is also known as the specific weather current? Here right answer is option A, that is El Nino. In which of the following atmospheric layers ozone gas is concentrated? So your right answer is option B, stratosphere. Which type of farming is prevalent in South Bengal of India? So your right answer is option C, that is trough farming. Which of the following is the greatest shipping canal of the world? So your right answer is option C, that is Suez Canal. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So your right answer is option D, that is Birmingham Shipbuilding. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Your right answer is option C, that is Manchester of India, Agra. Which of the following Indian states has the greatest number of sugar mills? So your right answer is option B, that is Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following rivers the Shivasamudram Hydel project is located at? So your right answer is option D, Kaveri. The Jeep and car manufacturing company Mahindra and Mahindra Limited is located at? Right answer is option D, that is Mumbai. In which of the following geological periods the volcanic lava flow took place in the Deccan Plateau of India? So your right answer is option B, Cretaceous. Okay. Who is credited to have discovered the West Indies? So your right answer is option D, Columbus. The theory of central places was propounded by option A, that is W. Christaller is the right answer. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with your friends.